What up? We got rained out, but the sun's peeking back out. Let's take a little walk. Here in Tampa, Florida, it rains like a mother. It rains a lot. So we did this one right here. We did the front yard. It came out nice. It was tall. It's one of my 3-weekers. And it started raining on us as we started the back. We got a little bit started back here, but then it started raining. I started mowing. My glasses are getting foggy. Yeah, I mowed about to about right here. You can see the line right there. The backyard's looking like I said, he's one of my 3-weekers. So yeah, I'm finna get this one cut, and then I'll show you some footage at some other properties that I have on the schedule for today. Okay? See ya. Anyway, like I said, we got rained out. We had to come back, but this is what it's looking like. I like this property. Been doing it for a little over a year now, and it's one of my favorites. All right, that's enough. Look at that cloud. We're headed straight to that cloud. All right, what up? We're here at the next property, and I'm gonna let you see it. It's another 3-weeker. You know, I've mentioned to him a couple times to get on bi-weekly schedule. I just want to have my hat somewhere in here. Hold on. I'm trying to know about Lil Wayne, bro. That's what we're listening to. Yeah, I've mentioned to him a couple times get on 2 weeks. He doesn't want to do it, but it's all good. It's in the neighborhood, so I like it. Turn this off. So let's go look at it. So it's a corner lot. Usually I don't take on corner lots, only because we push mow, and you know, it requires extra work. We got some debris over there. I'm gonna pick that up, and yeah. So this is what the front yard looks like. It's a little tall. A little tall. Over here is a little tall. That's real tall, actually. I got a new truck, guys. It's a Ford F-150. What is good, Lawn and Game? Yo, we wasn't able to finish that last property. I'm sure, as you can see behind me, it's raining like cats and dogs. Get a look at this. We went out like 3 times today trying to get it done, but we got rained on like twice already. So I think we're just gonna call it for today. It's one of those days where it doesn't look like it's gonna stop, man. It's just raining, raining, and raining. It doesn't look like it's gonna stop. So I might just call it for the rest of the day. I'll give it a couple hours, but the grounds are so wet out there. It is coming. Damn. At least in my neighborhood. And most of my yards are in my neighborhood, so I ain't doing no yard mowing today. All right, so we're back at this property. I want to show you how we started mowing. We started, then we got rained on, so we're back. I'm gonna set the camera up and get us mowing the front. That was the first cut. Now we're gonna drop the deck. That was a 4-inch cut. We're gonna drop it to a 3-inch cut and do it again. Let's get it. Alright, we're gonna spread the clippings. I know it looks kind of rough now, but I'll show you after we spread the clippings. Alright guys, this is what this yard's looking like after the mow. Yes sir, nice and edged up. I think it looks pretty good for what it was, you know? Yes sir, yes sir. Those bushes over there, we're gonna trim them probably on our next visit. And this is what the backyard's looking like. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how close the next property is. This is gonna be the next one right here. I'll give you some more footage in a second. Let me get out of the truck. This is one of my bi-weeklies. However, for a bi-weekly, it's pretty tall. Anyway, we're gonna do this front here. Wait till you see the back, dude. These bushes could be trimmed. At least this side of the bushes could be trimmed, but we're not here to do that, so we're not gonna do that. It's a cloudy day. You're gonna say, damn, Jack, you push mow all that? You push mow that? And to be real with you guys, I'm getting tired of push mowing, but I'm almost ready. But look at this, dude. Huge, isn't it? Huge, isn't it? I know. Pretty windy out here, so I'm gonna put the camera away and I'll show you the after, okay? See ya. All right, I don't know if you can see how drenched I am. Look, you see the water dripping from my hat. Take it out right here. Oh man, we did the front. Look at that, dude. Came back, we did this one. It's looking crispy. I'm not showing you the back because you already seen it. And it's wet out here. I think I found the new title for this video. This one's gonna be named Fighting the Rain Part 2. We came back and did that even though it was sprinkling because we had to do it, because if not, we were gonna get behind. It's been a rainy week. Hopefully next week the weather's a little bit better. And we'll see, man. I'll try to get some more footage. And see ya.